This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power and firmware are not the problem. First, charge the controller to at least 50% or swap in fresh batteries. Low power triggers sleep. Next, connect the controller with a USB cable to the console to prevent auto-sleep while settings change. Then, on the console, open Devices or Accessories and verify the controller firmware. Update it if available. Once done, keep the controller wired until you finish changing the auto-off options. Now you change the configuration so the controller stays active. Go into console power settings and set the controller sleep timer to the maximum or select Never if offered. This prevents the console from instructing the controller to power down. If the controller still sleeps, unpair it and then pair again, because pairing errors can force premature sleep. Make sure to test while wired to separate wireless radio issues from firmware or settings problems. Finish by applying hardware resets and isolating faults. If settings and updates failed, perform a controller reset using the small pinhole button. This clears corrupted state. Swap in a known good battery pack or use official rechargeable units, because degraded packs often force shutdowns. If the controller still turns off unexpectedly, test it on a different console to determine whether the issue is the controller or your console's power management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.